Hi my loves, welcome to Vinny's Adisanjani Makeover Transformation. Life can be so dull and boring without colors. Here's a complete transformation of makeover to boost your confidence level to the max. Please meet my model for today, Liang Anna. She was awarded Asian Cultural Ambassador in the Legend 2018. I'm gonna perform a natural makeup on her to enhance her total well-being. A makeover is incomplete without beauty essentials with quality. In order to achieve an outstanding makeover, I'm using a Caro Warming Lipstick. To match Liang Anna's natural beauty, this lipstick is produced with 100% all natural ingredient and it doesn't contain artificial or harmful substances. The uniqueness of Acuro Warming Lipstick is it is formulated using a combination of temperature sensing and lip temperature discoloration technology. This technology makes a diversity based on various body physics and conditions as it miraculously integrates lip color change according to different body temperature and pH values. Now let's start our makeover by brushing all the impurities and dust away from the surface of the skin. Next is apply a base cream on the skin prior to the makeup. This is to ensure a smooth and silky base, and is especially important for the CC cushion or foundation to be readily adhere to the skin later on. Make sure it covers all over the face including the eyelids. Now we move on the next step to the application of CC cushion on the face. I've always been fascinated with Korean CC cushion as they really provide a smooth and silky texture to our skin. The color, texture and consistency of Korean type of CC cushion are really very natural. Just like how we apply the base cream, the CC cushion ought to be covered all over the face, including the eyelids, eyebrow, corner of the nose, corner of the mouth, the hairline, the ears, and the neck area as well. A good CC cushion will act as an enhancer. It is supposed to boost up the whole skin texture to cover all the flaws and the weaknesses. It will help us to cover all the unwanted lines to make it even and smoother. It will also help to decrease the appearance of open pores. Our skin condition will naturally deteriorate over the years due to exposure to the sun and also aging. Free radicals is also one of the aspects that will damage our skin cells. Hence, skin problems such as uneven skin tone, freckles, pigmentation, fine lines and wrinkles will automatically appear on our skin without being invited. Therefore, other than output such as cleansing of the impurities from the skin, we also need input of nutrition back to the skin. This of course is inclusive of hydration back to the skin. And other forms of input included ampoules or serum being applied onto the skin before makeup is being applied. Now we proceed to the application of some loose powder only on the area of the eyebrows and the eyelids. Reason being, when we apply the eyebrow color and also the eyeshadow, we are gonna use the powder form. So then the color will stick and adhere evenly on our skin. Here I'm drawing the eyebrow shape that match Anna's face. First, draw the outer shape. I try to make sure her arch of the eyebrow is sharp enough so that it will make her feature more prominent. This is the corrective makeup technique, as most Asians have very flat features. And now I'm filling in her eyebrow with a charcoal-like pencil powder. This will eventually lead to a very natural looking eyebrow. And proceed to draw the other side of the eyebrow, making sure that both sides are balanced. Ensure the beginning of the eyebrow is being brushed to a lighter shade so that it appears natural. Next, draw the eyeliner by using a liquid eyeliner slightly slanting up so that the eyes won't appear to be drooping. Now I'm using metallic pink color for the eyeshadow for the inner part of the eyelid. And now the blue color for the outer part of the eyelid. Apply blush to the outer corner of your cheekbone, starting by your ear and ending at a point below outer corner of your eyes. Also, add a touch of color by your temples. Enhance the shape of your eyes by adding volume with full lashes that are evenly distributed. Avoid unnatural, heavy, voluminous lashes that will make your eyes look smaller and much flatter. Spread the transparent false eyelashes glue along the line of your lashes. Stick it as close as possible to your eyeline and make sure that it is slightly slanting upwards towards the end so it will make your eyes more lively. Last but not least, add some soul to your face by applying this warming lipstick. This Akero lipstick is my all-time favorite to a sexy lips. Believe me, it will make heads turn. Unlike the traditional lipstick in the market, Akero warming lipstick delivers a long-lasting color with no chance of color fading. Because of its unique absorption, the non-stick element addition is catered for the neglect spots or stains. It provides a tip-top moisture lock, prevent dry, peeling and cracking lips, and reducing wrinkle and improve fine lines to maintain a firm, pouting lips. Now, who could resist such a kissable lips like this? Thanks for watching Vinnie's Artisan journey. I hope you enjoyed the entire video of this makeover transformation. Please support me by subscribing to my channel and turn on the notification bell button so that you get notified every time I post my new videos. Don't forget to like, comment and share too. Goodbye!